Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps to create and configure a Foursquare Developer API for your integration. To set up Foursquare integration, log into the Foursquare Developer portal and click Create New Project. Select your organization from the dropdown, enter your project name, and click Create. Once inside your project settings, navigate to Places API Keys and click Generate API Key. Enter a nickname for your key, click Next, and copy your new API key if needed. Then click Dismiss. Now, scroll down to the OAuth authentication section. Enter your website URL in the project URL field and paste your exact callback address into the redirect URL field. Make sure the callback address matches the one configured in your integration, then click Save to apply the changes. Finally, copy your client ID and client secret and paste them into your plugin settings page to complete the integration. That's it. Your Foursquare integration is now configured and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.